Yesterday was Yom Yerushalayim, that great day of joy that celebrates the moment in 1967 when Jerusalem became a part of the sovereign, modern Jewish state of Israel. It's a day of great joy and happiness, and in fact, those two words, joy and happiness, are the translations that we give to frequently used words in our tradition for happiness, the Hebrew words sason and simcha. And the question is, what's the difference between the two? And I once heard a beautiful interpretation that said that the first, sason, is a word that we use to describe happiness that's mixed with a little bit of pain, of sadness. Simcha is absolute happiness. So, for example, at a Brit Milah, in which there is the pain of the child together with the happiness of the community, we say, Sas anochi al imratecha, part of the prayers of the circumcision ceremony, recognizing the complexity of that moment. At a Sheva Brachot, at a wedding, we say both words, sason v'simcha, joy and happiness, if you will, because a marriage and the wedding should be a moment of absolute happiness, but relationships are complicated. And there's sason and simcha as part of our happiness. The prayer for Jerusalem is that right now it's in a place of sason. We are overjoyed that Jerusalem is part of our living Jewish Israeli experience, but the cost of the state of Israel, the cost of Jerusalem, has been quite painful for the Jewish people. The lives lost, the challenges, the anti-Semitism, all a great deal of pain associated with that happiness. But the prayer, as the Psalm 137 says, Im lo ale et Yerushalayim al rosh simchati, that Jerusalem is al rosh, is the head, is at the top, simchati, of my simcha, of an uncomplicated happiness, of a happiness of a city that brings the world together and brings only joy for the inhabitants of Jerusalem and for the inhabitants of the world. Stay healthy, stay well, and stay connected.